Please welcome Kevin Banker, our team leader, to share a few words on his experience in Team Card, our new card specifications, and our future plans.
Hi everyone, good to see you. I hope everyone has seen the posters that we have put up and know what we are. For those of you who don't know about us, we are the Formula SE team of IIT Kharagpur. We are a group of 40 students who are from different departments, from different backgrounds, but share a common passion for automotive engineering. Ernest Hemingway has said rightly, quote, there are only 3 sports: bullfighting, motor racing and mountaineering. The rest are merely just games. We at Team Card are automotive enthusiasts who don't just talk about racing and race cars, we actually make race cars and race them. Following this spirit, we have previously made 3 cars, the KX1, the K1 and K2. And with these cars, we have participated in international and national competitions like Formula Student UK 2010, 11 and 13, in Formula Student India in 2015. And in all these competitions, we have made sure that our performance improves with every event. So, what is all this buzz about these competitions? Formula Student competitions are about designing, production and testing of these Formula style race cars in events like acceleration, autocross, endurance, which are designed to test the engineering brilliance of the car and also the knowledge of the team that has created it. The judges in these competitions are top-notch automotive professionals from all over the world, and it is really difficult to perform well in these competitions. You have to have a perfect car and an unquestionable, knowledgeable team. Then only you can be a successful team over there. Currently, the competition that we will be participating in this September, Formula Student Russia, it will be held in Tolyatti, the automotive capital of Russia. This competition will see a participation of around 800 students. It will be a tough competition, but our team is ready to take on the challenge with our latest creation and masterpiece, the K3. The K3 is our 4th production since our team started in 2008. Since then, we have made quite a lot of progress. For example, the KX1, our first car, weighed 333 kgs, which is really heavy. I mean, we used to require the whole team to lift the car, but now the K3 weighs only around 230 kgs and we only require like 4 guys. F1 is known for its use of lightweight materials like aluminium and carbon fiber. Our team extensively uses carbon fibers in the parts that we make. Also, this is the first time that we have implemented the carbon fiber technology in the form of the body panels. You can see them right here and here. So, our body panels are as strong as they should be, but at the same time they are lighter, and as a bonus they look really cool. If you follow F1, even occasionally, you would have definitely seen a group of people sitting in front of displays, analyzing some data while the F1 driver is driving the car. What they're doing is, they're getting data from the car and trying to use that data to improve the performance of the car. Our team has been able to do something similar by developing the data acquisition system. With this system, we acquire data from our sensors that are on board, and the data is stored on a chip on board, and also at the same time it is wirelessly transmitted to any computer with the receiver. This technology has really helped us to improve the performance and also helped us tremendously with the drivetrain. The car is a race car, so definitely the power has to come from somewhere. The powertrain, the engine that we use is a new engine. Instead of a 4-cylinder engine, we have used a single-cylinder engine this time. The decision was to reduce the weight without compromising on the performance. Now, there is a part in the engine known as the intake. The same part that we used in the previous car was made of aluminium, but in this car we have made it out of plastic, which is 3D printed. So we haven't reduced the performance, but still reduced the weight. The most amazing thing that we have done in the powertrain is engine tuning. By engine tuning, we have been able to increase the performance of the car more than ever. This car is powerful, the most powerful car that we have ever made. Also, the fuel efficiency of this car is 15 kilometers per liter. Wait, what did I just say? This is a race car, right? And the fuel efficiency is 15 kilometers per liter. How is it possible? 2 months of sleepless nights and we made it possible. Looking at all these improvements, it's truly amazing to see how a bunch of students, full-time students, who miss on their sleep and their meals, to accomplish something that is really unbelievable. To make a whole new car, not just a car, race car, from scratch. We have nothing in start, but then we make a whole race car. It's not a small deal. It's a really tough job. We have to face a lot of difficulties. It's not an easy thing. We have to take risks. We have to make sure that this thing that we try is safe. We have to test it. We have to try it. Meanwhile, budget and time constraints are there. The constraints that we face are huge and the odds are daunting. If you're not persistent, you're not going to pass in this. If you're not persistent, you're not going to last very long. As a Formula Student team member, you learn how to function as a team and tackle these problems with the team together. While most of us, we joined this team for the car and the technicality, but we have stayed together for the people who have become more like a family. And today, with my family, it's with great pride that we unveil our latest creation, the K3. Thank you.
You ready for the unveiling? Please show some energy, audience.
Everyone with us.
Thank you, team. Thank you for coming to this event. Now, Shrey Banka, our Corporate and Public Relations Manager, will give his vote of thanks.
So now, with the K3 unveiled, we would like to thank the people who supported this cause from behind the scenes. On behalf of the team, I'd like to thank our faculty advisors, Professor A.R. Mohanty, Professor C.S. Kumar, Professor Kingshuk Bhattacharya, Professor S.K. Panda, and Professor Dhananjay Srivastav. And special thanks to Associate Dean, Professor Pallab Das Gupta, for their continuous support and guidance, without which this would not have been possible. IIT Kharagpur has always been encouraging about students' efforts to develop their skills and learn new technologies through research. We are ever grateful to our institute for all the resources and help that they provide so that such a car is possible for us. While working with the car, we came in touch with a lot of alumni of our institution. We would like to especially thank our alumni for their support, without which this car and this competition, FSR, would not have been possible. We would like to extend special thanks to Mr. Lalit Behel, Mr. Vijay Kiyawat, and Bangalore Alumni Association and Delhi Alumni Association for the support that they provided. We promise you that we will be working hard and more hard so that we can build more such cars, improve on our team, and always keep you in contact with the progress that the team makes. Now, I also must mention the deep sense of appreciation to our major sponsors, Forgify 3D Labs, Tata Motors, Eurix Systems, and Greenfield Knowledge Center. The highlight of a car, the 3D printed intake manifold, was provided by Forgify 3D Labs, which is famous for their complete 3D printing solutions. Tata Motors helped us with their expertise in automotive engineering and ensured that there was a massive improvement from K2 to K3. Eurix Systems, a leading solutions provider of digital education solutions, was particularly enthusiastic about the project. Greenfield Knowledge Center has pledged their support for the machining of our next car K4 and we look forward to a collaboration with them. Team Card would also like to thank our technical sponsors, Alta Engineering, Dassault Systems, Steel India, Motul, JCB Hand Tools, Simla Agencies, Novoflex, Alufin, Loctite, Ricardo, Henkel and Carbon Line for the support. The event that you all are witnessing wouldn't have been possible without the local sponsors, the event sponsors that we get from here. We would like to thank Computer Clinic and the Mukesh Training Driving School, for without which this program wouldn't have been possible. We thank you all once again for being present here. The next segment of this event will be held at the main building in exactly an hour. See you soon at the first public run of a car. Be there and witness the car running in front of you. The car at Bolsi will be followed by a photo session. Yes, you can click as many photos as you can with the car. And then share these photos on Facebook and Instagram with the hashtag TeamCar. The photos which have most number of likes will win some cool prizes from our side. Thank you.
Please join us at the main building in exactly an hour. This is the first time that a Formula Style car is going to be run publicly in IIT KGP, and probably this is the last time in this year. Please join us and thank you for coming.